What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the second, episode or live trading on this 25k account. I found this AUD USD trade currently. I'm in with around 3% risk on this position, aiming for a 1 to 3 just to pass this challenge. I saw a nice little entry over here on this demand zone. If you come into the 4 hour here, the 4 hour did not close bearish below these lows. You can see that's just a pullback to then continue to move higher. Now I know this thing could pull back some more and then continue to move higher, but I found this demand zone, decided to take it. We can see we're bouncing off of this demand zone in line with this nice little support zone that we can clearly see, even like resistance over here, support resistance zone. So it could be a pullback to then continue to move higher. It's the same with Euro USD. We can clearly see Euro USD did not break a major structure point. This is all internal structure, as we can see, and Euro USD is also bouncing off of that zone. Euro USD almost had a trade opportunity, but I just like AUD USD a bit more. Spreads are the worst on Blue Guardian. I do not like Blue Guardian now. I was supposed to enter somewhere over here and spreads literally got me in there. So now my stop loss is 4 pips, where it's supposed to be around like 3 point something pips. So I'm risking 3%. Like this, like for me, spreads are very important, right? So Blue Guardian cannot have such bad spreads, because if you have tight stop losses, not only is commission gonna eat you, you're not gonna use proper risk management, which just sucks because it's not your fault. It's the company's fault for not choosing right spreads. It's like they're doing the spreads on purpose to help, make you blow accounts. Because if I was to have had proper spreads here and got in here, my stop loss could be around here, even a bit lower, just to compensate for it. But spreads are just absolutely dog water on Blue Guardian. So I'm assuming this is for all companies. So I think I'm just gonna stick with funding pips if I blow this account, or I have to find some other company that has like amazing spreads, because this is not it. These spreads are the worst. I might even have to exit my position early. Yeah, like right now I'm down $325, where this should be like around 250 or something like that. Like this shouldn't be 300 and something dollars, and I'm almost down 2% on the account. But we'll definitely see what happens. If I do take a loss here, it's $750, and the daily loss limit is 4%. So if I take a loss here, then I'm basically done trading. But if you've guys seen my ultimate funded blueprint guide, I basically go over the reasons why I take high risk on these challenges. But yeah, let's just definitely wait to see what happens. I mean, it's still early in the trade, so hopefully it doesn't go dump straight to my stop loss, and we can actually see like a nice like gain up. And aiming for 3%, which should be around 9% on the account. So I should pass the account because it's 8% profit target. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back with any updates. Alrighty guys, bringing you with another update. I manually ended up closing my position here. We can just see AU is just heading for that stop loss. It's not stopping, which kind of sucks. We had a nice structure shift to the upside, a nice bounce break of candle style entry. But you know what? I decided to close my position because commissions and spread, if I didn't have, it would have ended up going to my stop loss and it would have stopped me out. And I think I would have violated the daily drawdown rule because it's 4% for them. So with spreads and commissions, that'll probably be around 4%. I'm not trying to lose this account. I want to come back and try to pass the account. So like I said, if you haven't watched the ultimate funded blueprint guide, then you won't understand what I'm doing here. But if you have, then you'll know exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to save myself from blowing the account to give myself more opportunities in the market to be able to trade. So I'll just pull up my account here real quick. We can see the account is currently sitting at 24,232 with around a 3%, 4%, almost 4% loss. I think it's a 3.5% loss. $800 hit here, which is not bad. Yesterday's trade, whenever I closed it, it was nice. It went straight to TP. I would have passed the first phase, but I decided to secure profits thinking price could reverse, and it was a 50-50 gamble with news, and I didn't want to take that. So it sucks, but it is what it is. And we can see AU is just wanting to go on up again. So I mean, I can still enter again with 1% risk. Maybe I'll do that. Alrighty guys, in this clip, you're actually going to be seeing me revenge trade live. It's going to happen within a couple of minutes. And this is kind of weird, seeing yourself revenge trade or overtrade live. So enjoy this little moment. Please do learn from my mistake. And I will see you guys in the next clip. But you guys can clearly see I am revenge trading. No excuses here. So it's a 3.2. So you'll see me live doing this. 1%, 7.58. That's if price is able to, go above here. I'm not trying to enter here. Let's see if price can go up. So you guys can see me enter a trade in real time. Oof. Never mind. Luckily I didn't enter there. Okay, well I guess we will just wait to see what happens because price is just coming back to the zone. If we get a bounce off of the zone again, I'll take another entry. I think I'll do 0.5 instead. Don't mind that, I was just watching a video in the background. 3.79 lots. $3.78. Yeah, I definitely would have been stopped out by now. So we'll just see what happens if we were able to bounce off of this zone again. Great, maybe even I can take an entry off of this zone. If it comes back here, that's 3.7, 3.38. Okay, we're inside of the zone. Let's see how we react off of it. Euro USD pulling on back, couldn't break structure to the upside here. It could be going towards these lows here. But like the hourly time frame is in such a healthy spot. If you pull out the fib from the swing low to the swing high, we are below the 50% rule here, or the 50% zone. It is a discounted area, so we should see some buying pressure coming off of this. But yeah, there's even like a nice little fair value gap right over here, but I don't really like fair value gaps. We are bouncing off of this zone. I do like this a lot. Okay, I'll just bring you guys back if I do end up taking another position. Plus I made, so I'm looking for like 250 bucks, like a 1-to-1, or in this case it'll be a 1-to-2 or something, just to recuperate some of that loss that I took. But then again, spreads, Blue Guardian is not it. Blue Guardian is not it. I mean, we can just take a look at where I entered up here, but like my entry is supposed to be somewhere down here. And like commissions, $8. Like I don't know what type of broker they're using, but it's not a good one at all. So if I do 250 divided by 2, so $125 is my stop loss, which I won't even cover up to here. I'll probably cover up around here or something. And we'll definitely see what happens here. I mean, this sucks. The company absolutely sucks. I don't want to end up blowing this account. So I think if I'm $100 in loss, I'm going to end up closing my position. This sucks. I thought seriously AUDUSD is gonna, we had like a nice bounce, flip bullish up to the upside. Today was not it trading for me, I can tell you that much. I cannot hit, like the equity cannot go down to 24,000, so I'm just trying to protect that right now. Wow, AUDUSD, damn. I got burned today. I definitely got burned. I think this is some revenge trading and over trading. I'm out. Protecting myself here. Yeah, definitely. For today's thing, I think definitely revenge trading kicked in right there. I'm like, I can probably take an entry again, and then just to recuperate some of the loss that I've earned. So revenge trading definitely kicked in lifetime, and you guys were able to see it. So make sure you learn from my mistakes and not do that. But it's all okay because we are following our funded blueprint guide. So we're down about like 4%, I would say. So if we come tomorrow and we earn around, hopefully we earn 9%, we should be up, what is that, 5% on the account. So if we aim for a 1-to-3, risking 3% tomorrow, and we hit that 1-to-3, then we're up 9%. So we should be up around 5% on the challenge. So I'll bring you guys back on Thursday. I don't trade Wednesdays, so I'll see you guys then. Today was definitely not it for trading. So, and look at that, AUD USD is bouncing. All right, well, I'll see you guys on Thursday.